In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to browse privately using Firefox's private browsing mode. Whether you're looking to keep your browsing history confidential or simply wanting an untracked session, this feature can be highly useful. Let's get started with the process. First things first, you'll need to open your Firefox browser. If you haven't already got Firefox installed, you'll want to download and set it up before following along with this tutorial. Once you're ready, go ahead and launch your Firefox browser. You'll notice the familiar interface, and from there we can move on to our next step. Now that you have Firefox open, you'll want to enter private browsing mode. You have a couple of options to do this. The first option involves using the menu within Firefox. Look towards the top right corner of the browser window, and you'll see an icon that looks like three horizontal lines stacked on top of each other. This is often referred to as the hamburger menu. Click on this, and from the drop-down that appears, select New Private Window. If you're someone who prefers using shortcuts, we've got you covered. If you're on Windows or Linux, you'd press Ctrl+Shift+P simultaneously. For Mac users, it's Command+Shift+P. Using either of these methods will open a new window in private browsing mode. You might be wondering, how will I know I'm in private browsing mode? Well, when you open that new window, you'll notice a significant visual clue. A distinctive purple mask icon. This icon is usually situated in the upper right area of the window. Additionally, the window will have a different theme, often darker, to clearly indicate you're in private mode. This is Firefox's way of reassuring you that your browsing in this session will not be tracked in the usual ways. Now, you can browse the internet as you normally would, but with added privacy. Websites you visit in private browsing mode are not saved in your history. This mode also ensures that once you close the window, cookies, searches, and forms you've filled out are not stored. It's a convenient feature for those times when privacy is a priority. Finally, when you're finished with your session, you'll want to close the private window. You can simply do this by clicking the X in the top right corner of the window or using a keyboard shortcut like Ctrl+W on Windows or Command+W on Mac. Once closed, Firefox will automatically clear any trace of that session, helping you maintain your privacy without any extra effort. And there you have it. Browsing privately in Firefox is as simple as following these few steps. Incorporating this practice into your routine can help keep your internet activities private and secure. Thanks for tuning in, and happy browsing.